Let's start with the next question from the same exercise. 6.4, question number 13th, the sixth one. Here we have the function fx is equals to 4x square plus 1 upon x. X is not equals to 0. Differentiation of this function f dash of x would be, here we'll be using quotient rule. So x into differentiation of 4x square plus 1 minus 4x square plus 1 into the differentiation of x whole divided by x square. Now differentiation of 4x square plus 1 would become 8x plus 0 minus 4x square plus 1. Differentiation of x is 1 divided by x square. Opening up the brackets, we'll get 8x square minus 4x square minus 1 divided by x square. So at the end, we'll get f dash of x is equals to 4x square minus 1 upon x square. This is of a square minus b square form, that is 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 divided by x square. Again, this is x is not equals to 0. Now to find out the critical points, we can equate f dash of x equals to 0. Therefore this term will get 2x minus 1 equals to 0 or 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Hence we'll get x value as 1 by 2, or we can get x value as minus 1 by 2. Let's draw a number line, minus infinity to plus infinity. We have minus 1 by 2 over here and 1 by 2 on this side. Now we'll have to check in which interval it is going to be strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. You can use the alternate method, that is by keeping this positive, this negative, and less than minus 1 by 2 as positive. But let's just check it once again. For any value which is greater than 1 by 2, here f dash of x would be the first bracket over here, 2x minus 1. Suppose if we take the value of x as 1, you will be getting the first term as positive, second bracket also positive. Since the denominator is a square, it is always going to be positive. So this entire function is positive. Therefore you can say it is increasing when the value of x is greater than 1 by 2. Now for any value which is less than minus 1 by 2, suppose you input the value of x as minus 1. So f dash of x, again in the first bracket 2x minus 1, if you put it as minus 1, you will be getting minus 3. So it is going to be negative. We are not concerned with the value but only the sign. Again in the second bracket, when x is equals to minus 1, we shall have minus, and denominator is a square, so it is always going to be positive. Negative into negative will get a positive. Therefore the function is again increasing. Now let's check if minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 1 by 2. If in this interval the function is negative, then we can say in that particular interval the function is going to be strictly decreasing. So for any value which is going to be between these two values, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, let us take some value 0.25. If you take 0.25 in 2x minus 1, it is going to be a negative value, and the second bracket is positive, denominator always positive since it's a square term. So here it is going to be negative. Therefore we can say in this interval it is decreasing. Therefore the final result, the function is strictly increasing in the interval minus infinity comma minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 2 comma infinity, and it is going to be strictly decreasing in between 1 by minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 except at the point 0. So you can indicate that by minus 1 by 2 comma 0 union 0 comma 1 by 2. That's all.